You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A curious but useful to know French expression. Okay, and that's why, because it's French, it kind of doesn't make a lot of sense for English speakers how it is to be said. Vis-a-vis is how the French would say it, so rather similarly in English. Vis-a-vis, vis-a-vis. Okay, so the last S of vis links up to the A and becomes a Z sound. Yeah, I know, that's French. Vis-a-vis, and the last S of the second vis is silent. Vis-a-vis is how it's said, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.